Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm going to show you how to edit video with the CapCut apps. So first you can download the CapCut apps in Play Store or App Store, and after you install it you can open and you can click new project. But before you can prepare your photos or your videos that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to select some photos, just click add. So here you can add the transition, you can add the transition. Just click on the transition icon within the clip. So select the transition available here. You can adjust for the duration and you can apply it to all the clip. Alright, just click check mark. So here you can also add the audio, you can add text, you can add the overlay, you can add effect. For example, add effect. So select video effect. So here's many effect available here, and any pro effect and pre effect. For example, select effect, and you can adjust for the duration of the effect. Alright, so you can add the animation also. Just click on the clip and select animation. You can split the clip, you can delete the clip, you can crop the clip, you can mirror the clip. Alright, you can remove the background and add the new background to your videos. So after you finish editing the videos, you are just going to click the export button in the top right corner to export your project. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.